will have a look at the structure of our ear. For example, the like this is what the structure of ear look like. Ear of structure is divided into two parts. The outer ear, this is the outer ear. Okay, this whole is the outer ear. This part, like these three structures, is known as inner ear, middle ear, sorry, and this is the inner ear. Okay, let me write it. This is outer ear. These three bones are middle ear, middle ear. Okay, middle ear, and this snail like part is known as inner ear. Inner ear. So we'll have a look at the what are the parts of the ear. So just for your like understanding, I have colored it. Let me erase it. Okay. For example, this is the this is the wave particle, air particles. They are coming inside and they are coming here and then roaming here, and this is the nerve. For example, these dots are like the wave particles. Okay, so this part, outer part, this is known as air pinna. Okay, pinna. What's the function of it? So it collect all the air air waves, then it send it in this canal, and this canal is known as auditory canal. What this pinna do? This pinna collect all the the air sound and then send it to audi auditory canal. Okay, this auditory canal. So now you can see this auditory canal contain the particles. So now here this sensitive part of the air is known as, let me write, this is known as eardrum. What? Air drum. Okay, eardrum is now in Urdu we say parda. This is very sensitive, like when any of the disturbance came here, so it will detect it and it will start vibrating from its place. Okay, then after vibration, now your sound wave goes into these tube. Okay, so let me write over here that what these tubes are called. These tubes are the part of middle ear. Okay, like ear pinna, auditory canal, and eardrum is the part of outer ear. Now these auditory these bones, these are three bones. What they are? These are three bones. Okay, so I'm writing over here what's the name of the three bone. First of all, these three bones are total known as ossicles. What they are known as? Ossicle. I'm sorry for that. Okay, ossicles. These bones are known as ossicles. So this number first bone, this one bone is known as incus, Number second one is known as malleus. Malleus. And last but not the least, it is known as stapes. Stapes. Okay. So these three bones are also known as the smallest bone of your body. Okay, these three bones are known as the smallest bone of your body. So what they will do, like if I could give you the example, for example, now the wave goes from your eardrum to these bone. So the now wave will be vibrating. Now these bones will be vibrating and they will be going at a very high pressure. Why? Because as you can see, this is the large area. So when the force will be going from large area to a small area, so the pressure will be increased. So here your sound pressure will be increased. What? The sound pressure will be increased over here. Okay, from the, like now you can see like the wave particles are traveling from eardrum to ossicles, these tiny ossicles. So now this is at this point here, the our like what, yes, our inner ear starts. So like these are known as, this part is known as like this is for the balancing, to balance, to balance, like when are you running, so it balance your sound. Okay, now this part, like this part, let me highlight it. This part is known as cochlea. What this is known as, I will write also cochlea. So what's the function of cochlea? I'll tell you. So here also, if I could tell you that here also the water substance is present. So as we know that, if I could give you the example that if you move your hand in the air, so you can move your hand easily, but if you move your hand in the water, so it could be like more difficult for you to move your hand, you will require more pressure. So as I said before that here at stapes area, it will require more pressure. Why it will require more pressure? Because here the water substance is present that will not allow the small pressure to go inside. So at this area, if I tell you that force is inversely proportional to area, force is inversely proportional to area. So if we increase the force, the area will be decreased. So now here we are increasing force. Here you, as I said you, that here the force is increased. So now the area will be decreased over here and the pressure will be high. And because the water is also present, so now the, for example, like the water waves, oh sorry, the sound waves are in your cochlea. Okay, sound waves are in your cochlea now. Okay, so here these nerves are known as I guess no optic, it is auditory nerves. What they are, let me mark it. Oh god, I need more space. Yes, here I'm writing over here. Auditory. The word auditory is always used for ear and the word optics is only used for eyes. Okay, as the cardiac word is used for heart. So these nerves, what they will do, they will provide the signal to your brain. So then your brain will detect the sound. Okay, so this is what the structure of your ear.